front of me is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Adjusting font size is one of the first things I do while testing new devices, just to make it comfortable for my eyesight. So if you want to do the same on this iPhone, let's begin. Firstly, open Settings. Then scroll a tiny bit to click on Display and Brightness, and tap on Text Size. Now operate this slider at the bottom to adjust it, and check out Preview at the top. All of your changes will be automatically applied. So when I go back, as you can see, size of my font has changed. If the biggest font size available is still too small for you, this one, I can show you how to change it in your apps, but be aware it will stay the same on your screen and in Tab menu. If you want to do it anyway, you can go into Settings again, and this time select Accessibility section. Now tap on Display and Text Size, and tap on Larger Text. This slider at the bottom is the same one we just used, but by tapping on this switcher next to larger accessibility sizes, you can see it extended. This little portion is now responsible for resizing font in your apps. So manage it, check out Preview at the top, and go back. As you can see, font size in my apps has changed. If you wish to disable this feature, go back to the same settings and tap on No Green switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!